Welcome to our latest video in the series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating world of facility management in the retail industry, a sector with its unique set of challenges. We'll be taking a detailed look into what it takes to keep a retail store presentable and safe, how to reduce operational risk, ways to increase efficiency, and the significance of cost management. So stay with us as we unpack these concepts, equipping you with insights to enhance your retail establishment's brand and thrive in the face of any challenge. Now, let's dive into the world of facility management in the retail industry. It's a unique beast with its own set of challenges and tasks. And if you're in the retail business, you'll know that keeping customer-facing areas in tip-top shape is a top priority. So, what does this entail? Well, one of the major responsibilities is maintaining the store's appearance. This means keeping the store clean, safe, and attractive. Maintenance technicians are often tasked with cleaning floors, restrooms, and windows, as well as assembling and maintaining product displays. In some cases, they might even be responsible for stocking shelves and other supplies. The ultimate goal here is to enhance the retail establishment's brand in the eyes of its customers. But it's not just about keeping things looking good. Reducing operational risks is another key aspect of facilities management in retail. As technicians work in customer-facing areas, it's crucial to have qualified, experienced, and responsible personnel on board. These individuals need to be licensed, certified, and insured in their particular areas of expertise. They should be well-versed in quickly managing situations like HVAC emergencies, snow removal, plumbing issues, and display shelf repairs. Remember, an emergency repair in the retail industry can be dangerous for both employees and shopping customers. Moving on, let's talk about efficiency. The facilities management team plays a critical role in supporting the retail establishment so that maintenance issues can be handled in the background. The ideal scenario is for maintenance managers to relieve store managers and other retail staff from having to worry about maintenance and upkeep issues. This allows them to focus on what they do best, taking care of their customers. Lastly, managing costs is a crucial part of the job. Retail stores need to equip maintenance managers with project management tools so that maintenance costs can be tracked and controlled. Comprehensive information allows the facilities management staff to make better decisions, automate tasks like preventive maintenance scheduling, assign and manage work orders, and track spending. So there you have it, a quick rundown of how facility management works in the retail industry. It's all about maintaining appearances, reducing risks, increasing efficiency, and managing costs. With the right team and tools in place, your retail establishment can thrive in the face of any challenge. Thank you for watching this video. We have explored the world of facility management in the retail industry, focusing on maintaining appearances, reducing risks, increasing efficiency, and managing costs. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insight. To learn more about how UpKeep can support your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you thrive in the face of any challenge.